Hi guys, this time I'm collaborating again with BCS in a more bigger project, bigger training and large number of participants. So we have currently 14 members and the last batch we did very well and then we are placed into several of the companies. Now this time I've planned with several of tech stack starting from HTML, CSS, JavaScript, advanced JavaScript, then slowly moving to the front-end things with React, and then we are going to the backend things with Postgres, finally ending with connecting the front end and the database with Flask. So then there will be a little bit of doing Python. So this ensures that they get a full spectrum of IT and they'll be finally deploying a project which becomes the proof of concept of all the things they have learned so far. So they'll be developing in this project a very nice movie project. So they'll be involved in constructing the entire app, and then it becomes like a one-place stop where to analyze and then recap all the things that you've seen so far. So this is the super plan that we have, and we are executing it very well, and the students are very welcoming in adapting to this full stack approach.